Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing of the CosmicByte GS410 gaming headset. Now, straight off the bat, on the front side of the packaging, we can see that they're advertising this to be compatible with PC, laptops, which happens to be the same platform, PS4, and then Xbox One. On this side of the packaging, we don't see any additional information aside from the name of the brand, and we see an image of the device on the inside itself. Same goes for we have some extra information over here. It says it uses a single 3.5mm jack for audio and mic. It's compatible with PC, laptops, PS4 and Xbox One. We've seen this before. How about we look at the rear side? Okay, we have certain additional information over here. It says the driver diameter is 40 millimeters. Impedance is 32 ohms plus minus 15%. Sensitivity is 105 dB. Frequency range is between 15 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Microphone is about 6 by 5 millimeters. Microphone sensitivity is minus 38 decibels. Microphone impedance happens to be 2.2 kilo ohms. Directionality is omnidirectional, so there's no polarization at all. Cable length is 2.1 meters, give and take about 15 millimeters. Working current is 500 milliamperes. Now, we don't know whether that's for the LEDs or for the audio jack. Once we connect it, we'll figure it out. Aside from that, there's a little more additional information over here and here, and we see for the images of the headset. Let's open it up. Inside the box, we can find a little leaflet. This is an instruction manual, and we see the same specifications that was mentioned on the back hand side again. And that's about it. We'll keep this to the side. Come back to the headset. So this is the GS410, the CosmicByte GS410. As you can see, the mic boom is on the left ear cup. So is the wire connection. Speaking about the wire, we don't see any USB, so there's probably no lighting, but they do have a little control pod with a volume rocker and an on-off switch, and that's it. That is the unboxing of the CosmicByte GS410. Thank you for watching.